Welcome to the StatTree video module for scatter plots. To demonstrate the linear or nonlinear distribution of continuous variables in sample data, generating scatter plots would be appropriate. You will need two continuous variables to run this test. In looking at the preferred entertainment viewing survey, any of the scale questions 3 through 7 would be appropriate for the continuous variables for our demonstration. For this demonstration, we will use questions 3 and 4. To generate a scatter plot of the relationship between these two variables in Spyder, type in the following Python code. This code can be copied from the new browser window when you press the script button on the sending page from the StatTree module. If you've already saved your code, press on the File Open icon above the editor pane. Browse to the location of the Python script, then press Open. Select the lines of code to be run, then press the Run Selected icon. Python will generate an output in the Plots window. This output may be useful in assessing the suitability of data for further statistical testing, and may need to be reported in the Methods section of the research report. In this output, we can see that the relationship between the two continuous variables is linear and negative. These results may influence decisions about which statistical tests should be run when utilizing this variable. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the sending page from the StatTree module.